NMAP, short for Network Mapper, is an open-source tool used for network discovery and security auditing. It's widely used by system administrators and cybersecurity professionals to scan IP addresses and ports, detect services running on a network, and identify vulnerabilities. NMAP operates via command line interface, though it also has a graphical user interface called ZenMap. It's known for its flexibility and ability to perform various types of scans, from simple host detection to more complex tasks like network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and monitoring host or service uptime.